Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Tuesday, November 19th. Seeing another morning of some low cloudiness out there. We're going to continue to see this throughout the rest of the morning hours, then seeing a little bit of sunshine as some of this low cloudiness breaks up as we go into the afternoon hours. Going to be remaining in a pretty stagnant pattern over the next couple of days. We have a weak trough of low pressure kind of just hanging out across the northeastern United States. Then we're going to get some high pressure building in as we go into the end of the work week, and then seeing some chances for rain as we go into Friday and Saturday. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the region, really kind of just a stagnant weather pattern. No real significant features across the mid-Atlantic. That's helping to give us just really some light wind, cooler temperatures. We have some a weak trough in control, and also going to continue to see these mostly cloudy conditions as we go throughout today and really tomorrow as well. Then things should start to change a little bit as high pressure begins to build across the southeast as we go into Thursday. Taking a quick look at our upper level winds this morning, we were seeing some very light winds at the surface, and then just becoming westerly just above the surface, and then increasing to around 22 knots to the 6,000 foot level before things shift more southwesterly, increasing steadily up to 56 knots at the 25,000 foot level, seeing the freezing level this morning at 6,000 feet. Let's take a quick look at our satellite loop across the region this morning. Pretty similar to what we saw yesterday as far as the widespread cloudiness across the mid-Atlantic, so not really going to be seeing that change over the next couple hours. Some of this low cloudiness will break up as we go into the afternoon, but still going to be seeing an abundant mid and upper level cloudiness throughout the remainder of the day today and into this evening as well. So looking at our forecast for today, going to be seeing a chilly day, a couple degrees below normal with a high near 54 degrees. Westerly winds are going to increase just a little bit as we go towards the late morning and into the afternoon, only around 5 to 10 knots, so some pretty light winds out there today. And then decreasing as we go towards this evening, becoming light and variable at times overnight before shifting northwesterly by the pre-dawn hours of Wednesday and increasing to 6 to 11 knots by the mid-morning hours. Expecting a seasonable low tomorrow around 41, tomorrow morning around 41 degrees. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to see those lower level clouds slowly break up over the next couple hours, becoming broken at 1500 with some broken to overcast upper level decks in the early afternoon hours, then seeing those upper level cloud decks becoming broken by mid to late afternoon. As we go into tonight, going to be seeing a few clouds near 1,000 to 1,500 feet, a few at 4,000, and then broken mid-level deck at 12,000 and 20,000, becoming scattered at that 4,000 feet level near sunrise, with continued broken decks at 12 and 20,000 feet. So really not going to see a whole lot of change in our cloud cover as we go throughout this afternoon and into tomorrow morning. Still seeing our tides a little bit high out there, but any sort of coastal flooding concerns have passed, and we'll see those tides slowly return to normal over the next couple of days. Let's take a look at our long-term model here so we could take a look at our forecast before we go into our 7-day. We can see this trough of low pressure that's over the northeast. That's kind of given us our stagnant weather yesterday, and which will continue as we go into tomorrow as well. I'm going to see those winds increase just a little bit more than today as we have a little bit more of a pressure gradient tightening up with high pressure building in from the Midwest and that low that's well off to the east over the ocean. As we go into Wednesday night, high pressure will start to build in across the southeast, and that'll help to clear out our cloudiness a little bit, becoming a much more partly cloudy to perhaps even mostly sunny Thursday, especially Thursday morning. We'll get that high pressure really starting to build into the area. It does look like it's still going to be a little chilly out there, though, as we go into Thursday, as we get some cool air mass moving in. And then we'll see southwesterly winds start to pick up as we go into Thursday night. That'll help to bump those temperatures up over Thursday night into Friday as we have our next front approaching the area, and we get those milder southwesterly winds start to bring in a little bit more of a warmer air mass for Friday. On Friday, we're going to see those temperatures actually go up to the low to mid 60s, and then seeing some rain chances develop as we go into Friday afternoon, as well as this front kind of lingers just to the north of the area across central or northern portions of the mid-Atlantic. Still a little bit of a question how far south this front's going to make it, but it does look like it is going to stall out somewhere over the mid-Atlantic region over perhaps the central Delmarva. Not really, still a little bit uncertain if that front's going to make it south of Wallops or just stay to the north of it, and that'll have an impact on our temperatures as we go Friday into Saturday. It does look like we're going to get that front hanging out around, as stalling across the area Friday, giving some scattered showers as we go into Friday and Friday night. See those shower chances take a little bit of a break as we go into Saturday morning. Still a slight chance of seeing them around, but then we're going to get this low that's moving along that stalled out front past the area Saturday afternoon into Saturday night. That's going to bring a much higher chance of scattered rain showers. Really can't rule out a very slight chance of a thunderstorm as well as we go into that period. It looks like we're going to get some decent dynamics and moisture, bringing some pretty good rainfall across the region Saturday evening into Saturday night. As we move into Sunday, it does look like we're going to have a much broader area of high pressure start to build in across the eastern half of the country. That'll bring in some drier, cooler air and some really seasonable conditions as we go Sunday into at least the first half of next week. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast here, going to continue to be cloudy today, high only 54. Going to see those temperatures pretty similar over the next couple of days. See a little bit more sunshine as we go into tomorrow with still some cool air mass around 53 degrees. We're going to see a little bit more clearing as we go Wednesday night into Thursday. That does look like it's going to help to drop that low down a little bit more. So expecting a low of around 35 degrees Thursday morning. With partly cloudy skies Thursday, still seeing temperatures in the lower 50s. Then we're going to see, as we go into Thursday evening, high pressure that we talked about start to build across the southeast. We'll see that low of 43 happen actually later in the evening Thursday, and then as we go into Thursday night, it does look like temperatures are going to slowly rise throughout the overnight period as we get those southwesterly winds increasing a bit, bringing in a more mild air mass. And then Friday, seeing the temperature bump up into the mid-60s as we get that front approaching the region. Like I said, still a little bit of uncertainty exactly where that front will stall out, but it will be giving us a chance of some afternoon showers on Friday with higher chances north of the Wallops area. As we go into Friday night and Saturday, we'll see that those shower chances continuing, but a little bit less Friday night into Saturday morning, and then Saturday afternoon into evening we'll get that low pressure develop and ride along that stalled out front, and that will move across the mid-Atlantic region and the Delmarva, bringing us a higher chance of some showers. It does look like showers are going to be more likely in the afternoon, but could be seeing chances throughout the day Saturday and into Saturday night especially. Only expecting a high of 53 on Saturday with those rainy conditions about. As we go into Sunday, that low will move east of the area. We'll get some broad area high pressure moving into the region. That'll help to dry things out and give us some partly cloudy to perhaps mostly sunny skies with some more seasonable high temperatures increasing as we go throughout the week. So expect a cooler day Sunday, high of 51. Then we'll see things become more mild and seasonable as we go Monday into Tuesday with that high pressure really taking control of the entire eastern part of the country with those highs into the mid to perhaps even upper 50s as we go into the beginning of the work week next week. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.